We want to help you unlock the future potential of your connected switches and sockets so that your smart home can keep evolving with you. To get you set up to connect with the Wiser by SE app, which has many more functions and possibilities, you first need to update your connected switches and sockets. We will show you how to use the Wiser Room app to easily perform the updates. You could also download a simple step-by-step guide to start the upgrade process. Ensure you have the latest version, then open the Wiser Room app. Make sure you are within range, then tap the first device listed to connect. You will see a pop-up stating that your connected switch, dimmer or socket requires an update. If you do not see a pop-up, then your device does not require any updates and is ready for use with the new Wiser by SE app. Tap OK. Then tap Settings. From the Settings page, tap Advanced Settings. Then tap Device Information. Then Firmware Update Needed. A pop-up will ask if you wish to proceed. Tap Yes and ensure to keep your phone within range of the connected switch or socket. The update will take approximately 5 minutes. All of the previous device settings will be saved back into the device. Once the update is finished, you will see a confirmation message pop up. Tap OK. The update has now been completed. Your connected switch, dimmer or socket is now ready to use with the Wiser by SE app. Repeat the process with all your other connected switches and sockets. Once all are updated, you are now ready to download and start using the Wiser by SE app, growing your smart home possibilities.